I represent the Italian Trade Agency, and the Italian Trade Agency is a Italian government agency connected, actually part of the Embassy of Italy in Canberra. Italy has a very strong manufacturing industry in many different sectors, also in this sector, in the defense sector. So we are here promoting the manufacturing industry that we have in Italy, and it's a wide industry that connects not only companies but also research centers, public authorities and universities. And what do we have to offer? We have a lot to offer to Australia. We have a wide range of customizable products to offer to the defense sector. We have advanced industrial and technological capabilities. We can enact synergies within the industry and research centers and universities. We have a wide presence around the world. A few of the companies that we have here have a permanent presence in Australia, and we can also comply with certification and compliances of international standards. So this is the wide range of services and products that we can offer to Australia.
My name is Federico Blatto. I'm the National Sales Manager of Benson Machines. At this show we represent one of the biggest and more renowned machine tool manufacturer from Italy, which is PIETRO CARNAGHI. PIETRO CARNAGHI has a big history of supplying the military industry worldwide. So the target is to introduce them to Australia, to the Australia industry, defense industry as well.
Sitep Italia is a trustable supplier of navigation equipment. So we make such sensors, for example, GPS systems, GPS military systems. We develop, for example, electro-optic devices. We develop stuff for security, so devices for security, devices for telecommunications, and devices, of course, for navigation. As any other company in the world, what we want to do is growing. Well, not just because of profits, of course, but just growing of culture. And diversification is actually our very big opportunity. We are here to present a new project, which is actually a bit different than what we normally do in the business. But we actually started a 5G private network for defense. It's a timing where we must be aware of what's happening in the world. We need to be secure, and yeah, this is something that really makes me excited, and that's why we invest a lot on research in order to make sure that yeah, our defense industry is ahead and is always on top with the biggest country in the world to be prepared for anything that's happening.
Elettronica S.p.a, the mother company, is an Italian private company founded more than 70 years ago, always devoted in electronic warfare. We are on board all the domain of the platforms, in the naval, in the airspace, in the ground. So we are from the simple radar warning receiver to the very complex ELINT and coming system for SIGINT operation. And we are very strong in the countermeasure domain, so with our active system, with the jamming solutions. Elettronica S.p.a is here because, of course, the Asian market in general is a potential market very interesting for a company like us. And the defense budget is more than 200 billion US, so excluding China, of course. And Australia itself is more than 80% of that budget. So, and because of the, let me say, the tension in the area and the growing interest and growing budget, of course, for us is a potential, very potential interesting market.